In 2025, the world of e-commerce and dropshipping is hotter than ever. But success requires clarity, systems, and the right strategies. This video is your roadmap. Step by step, we'll cover everything from finding products to scaling globally. The first step, finding winning products. Not every product will sell. You need demand, uniqueness, and margin. Use platforms like TikTok Trends, AliExpress, and niche supplier networks to spot hot products early. Suppliers aren't just vendors. They're your partners in growth. Look for reliability, speed, and quality. Master quality control. One bad batch can destroy your brand. Winning products solve problems and spark desire. That's the sweet spot. Your store is your digital storefront. It must inspire trust and clarity. Generic stores don't scale. Branding is what turns clicks into loyalty. A strong brand is more than visuals, it's how customers feel about you. Sell trust, not just products. That's how you build lifetime customers. Every click matters. Optimize checkout, mobile view, and trust signals. TikTok is still a goldmine. Short videos drive impulse buys. UGC outperforms polished ads. People trust people. Meta ads give targeting precision. Combine creative and data for profit. Test small, scale winners. Don't burn money on unproven ads. Your ads are only one piece. Build funnels that capture, convert, and retain. Logistics make or break dropshipping. Delivery speed is everything. Solve logistics like a puzzle. Balance cost, speed, and reliability. Unboxing is part of your marketing. Deliver delight, not just products. Great support builds trust. A single positive interaction can create loyalty. Handle complaints with empathy. Every problem is a branding opportunity. Trust is your most valuable currency in global e-commerce. Scaling isn't about working harder. It's about systems and teams. Build a team. Alone you can start, but together you scale. Don't rely on one store. Spread risk across multiple niches. Think global. E-commerce in 2025 is borderless. E-commerce isn't just side income. It's an asset that attracts investors. Long-term success requires systems, not hustle. This was just the crash course. Inside the full program, you'll get step-by-step strategies, templates, and tools to build your e-commerce empire in 2025. Your future depends on the stores you build today. Start now.